Mynydd o gliriad gan Pennock a Georgievski, a mae'r golwr allan o'i iacwrt. Wel, am gôl hawdd. Fydd Colin Caton ddim yn hapus o gwbl efo amddiffyn y bala. Wel, y gic hir uniongyrchol gan Alex Pennock. Smonach yn y cefn i'r bala. Be oedd Ramsey'n ei wneud? Tafliad sydyn, amser i gael ei groesiad i fewn. O, Venables o bawb yn methu ar gôl yn wag o'i flaen o. Nathan Wood ar gic gornel. Peniad o bron i gefn y rhwyd gan Josh Iorwerth. A mi oedd angen yr arbediad o'r safon ucha gan Alex Ramsey. Kieran Smith yn ôl at Roscoe, Venables wan tas o'r gyda fan hyn gan Chris Venables. Venables o fynd amdani na chi arbediad. O, gwych gan Alex Pennock. Oedd hwnna yn mynd am y gornel chwith na. Rutherford i gadael hi i Arsan. Mae yna beri gwirioneddol o fan hyn. Y peniad o'na chi arbediad o'r safon ucha unwaith eto gan Pennock. O'r peniad gan Nathan Peat. Gael ei gyfeiriad Newell. Disgyn i Luke Wall, Arsan. Cael ei orfodi allan braidd gan y bas yna. Dyma Luke Wall. Alla gael ei groesiad Iwan Llyr. Yn neud hynny o! Cyfle clir i George Newell. Ramsey. O, dychwch ar y gwynt yn cario honna. O'r golwr yn gwneud smonach llwyr ohoni hi. A mae gefn y rhwyd. Wel, yn debyg iawn i gol Pen-y-bont. Y cliriad hir gan y golwr. A'r gwiriad a'r cyffyrddiad ola dros y llinell gan Luke Wall i unioni'r sgôr. Dave Edwards, y bel hir uniongyrchol unwaith eto ar ôl byrniad yn gyfer i Luke Wall. Wall, os ail i Wall, ddylia fod o di sgorio i ail o ac ail y bala. O, cyfle eiraid i Luke Wall yn wyllt a dros y trawst.
Rhys, satisfied or dissatisfied with the point?
Probably satisfied with the point, a little bit dissatisfied with the performance. I thought we battled unbelievably hard under a barrage of long balls, particularly second half obviously, and dealt with them brilliantly. The effort level from my players I can't fault, but I know that they're how good they can be. Last week we were excellent with the ball. This week I thought with the ball we struggled a little bit at times and didn't produce that little bit of quality to go and get a second and a third.
Same question I asked to Rhys, really, satisfied or dissatisfied with the point?
I think Rhys will be more satisfied than what we are. The chances that we had, Chris Venables at the back post, just missed time the shot as he came in. George Newell's chance, the great save from Nathan Peat in the header in the first half. Luke Wall's chance when he's blazed over with nobody between him and the keeper. So I don't know if Rhys will be satisfied, but he should be, because they haven't really had a clear-cut chance in the game. Rambo hasn't made one save. All Rambo's done is make a mistake, and then Pennock's made a mistake, and they're the two goals in the game. But chance-wise, we've had about 5-6 really good chances that should have won it.
Hanner cynta, oeddech chi'n rheoli yn llwyr. Dim cystal, beth ddigwyddodd yn yr ail hanner?
Wel, when ni'n gwybod beth o bal am ni'n neud, chymod, with y peli hir yn constant, chymod, fi'n credu dim ond gwmynt ni'n gallu cymryd. Felly, deithon nhw'n ôl yn yr ail hanner, ond o'n i yn teimlo wedi ni o dan rheolaeth yn y gêm. So, na, chymod, oedd e'n gêm o 2 hanner. Eithon ni'n dda hanner cynta, eithon nhw'n dda ail hanner.
I should think that neither manager will be happy with the way the goals were conceded.
No, from what 2 goalkeeper errors probably, and from 2 long balls, which probably sums up the game really. You know, for anyone who watched the game, there was a lot of blood and thunder and a huge amount of effort from both teams, but not a huge amount of quality, to be honest.